Okay, students, I got a few more. I gotta do these sutures. And I got one right here, first of all, and this is the coronal suture. It's located right there. Take a look at this thing. See what I'm talking about? Coronal suture. So you see the frontal bone, you got the parietal bone, and that's that. And then, of course, going right down the middle, right this way, coming like that. We call that the sagittal suture. Then we have this down here, dun dun dun, which is called, see where it's at? Where you have the occipital bone, haha, and the parietal bone. And this is called the lamboid suture. See that? Lamboid. Okay. And then, of course, we have squamous suture, which is located right there between the temporal bone and the parietal bone. Okay. Now I want to show you a couple more things here on the back. So hang on a second, I'm getting there. Oh! We have an external occipital protuberance, which is this right there, and this is the nuchal line. So we call that the superior nuchal line. Is this sort of line that comes into that external occipital protuberance. And then, of course, we're going to have the external occipital crest, which comes down this way. Okay, see that? External occipital crest. And of course, this is the foramen magnum right there, as you can see. And coming down further, looking inside here, we have the palatine bone, which makes that hard palate right there. See the palatine bone? Okay. Let me see if there's anything else here I forgot to get. You know, one thing I did forget, and I should have pointed out, was the ethmoid bone, which is located right here. Okay, but then again, we have the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, which is the plate that is located right inside here. So it's like a, I don't know if you can see it well, it's sort of a, let's get a line in here so you can take a better look at this thing. Alright, so it's right there. See that line comes down there? That's part of it. And then we have a middle nasal concha, which is going to be right there in the middle. And then we have an inferior nasal concha, which is further down. It's located right about like down there. And this one is a bone of itself. Okay. And the other one that we have that I definitely want to point out is this thing sticking out here, which is the vomer. Okay, the vomer. It's this little one that is pointed right like that. Okay, alright, I think we're getting there. Alright, bye.